All right, can you introduce yourselves first?
My name is Cedric. White.
But you go by?
Stubby.
Uh-huh.
White.
My name's Ana Quiroz.
My name's Lissette.
All right. Can you guys give me one word that describes the class this year, my class this year?
Out of control. Oh, that's 3. Just kidding.
It's hyphenated. I'll give that to you. One word.
It was fun.
Fun?
Yeah, it was fun.
Crazy. In a good way.
Crazy and fun.
Yeah.
Excellent. What was the most valuable thing you learned in this class?
What do you mean?
I mean, the thing that is... No, I'm more talking about what was the thing that was most useful to you, most
Probably
important.
the
DOLs?
Yeah, grammar.
Okay.
We are improved a lot.
What do you think was the least valuable thing we did? If you could get rid of one thing, it would be...
The DOLs on the computers, because I'm gonna be honest, when I would do them, when you would go over it, it's like you're not really paying attention to what you're doing. You're just writing it because it's not that it goes fast, but it's just when we write it, I feel like it's better.
You feel like you don't have the time to spend on making sure you know why?
Yeah.
On paper, you kind of learned more. I don't know. It just.
Because on paper, you got to write it down.
But you should kind of check that people have something before you start going over, because then people just wait for you and they do the same thing.
Yeah. That.
Okay.
I don't know.
That was real life.
What topic did you like the most from the class, or what unit, or what, focus?
Yeah.
Best unit ever.
Why?
Because it was so interesting, and I really love the reading that you put the thing on, because it's better. You read it to us, and we're listening, watching the screen, whatever, and you kind of read it there, and then you would answer questions, right? When we would be on the computers, and you would answer questions at the same time. So because by you making us do at least 2 comments, you had to be like, oh crap, I actually have to pay attention to write something, or I won't get credit. And I just paid so much more attention, and then I learned a lot. It was awesome. I like that.
You guys too?
Yeah. That was my favorite.
Okay. What would be, let's see, if you could change one thing about the way that I teach, what would it be?
About what?
The way that I teach.
The only thing I would say is the DOL. I don't know. In my opinion, I feel like it was so much better.
And
because at the beginning, you taught it really well. I'm sorry.
Yeah, and the etymology in the beginning was kind of failed. So. Just because we did in class, we wasted a lot of time. It was it was good because we learned, but it was just the class didn't cooperate with you.
You mean back when we used to do the note cards?
Yeah, so I wish, and then when you did them online, I know I never watched the video.
Okay.
I did. I felt like it was
I would
easier doing it
forget.
at home because you would listen to it yourself. Just if you wanted to do it, you could, because in class you do it in class and you don't think about it at home. So.
But you kind of forget. I think it's because we switched in the middle, and then I'd be like, okay, and then I'd get here Monday morning and I'd be like, oh crap, or whatever day was due.
I think it was easier on the computers than it was.
What did you think of the videos in general that I did?
I like it, especially the reading. That was really, really, really smart. I love the reading.
Did it bother you to not have the physical book?
No, it's better. No. It's better.
I hate
Because then
carrying
kids
books
are going to
around.
start flipping, drawing on stuff.
And then,
It's better.
You technically did because
It was on the
it was
screen.
on the screen
Yeah.
and you could look at it on your laptop.
Okay. What was the biggest change when we changed for quarter 4? So when we switched over to doing all computers, what was the biggest change that you had to get used to?
Well, yeah, that.
Doing no more paper. Next year's gonna suck in AP because we're just gonna be writing, and I'll be like, oh my god, we can do this on the computer.
And then it was the type of thing where you could finish it at home so much easier and stuff. So if you fooled around in class, I'm gonna be honest, I fooled around so much. At the beginning, I felt like I was good, but because it was so easy to just fool around.
Yeah.
And just do it at home.
If you could give my students next year advice on taking my class, passing my class, how to succeed, what would you tell them?
Do all the work. Try. Put in the effort.
Yeah, it's not. Honestly,
Highlight
your
all the
class isn't
pronouns.
hard, and you give us a lot of chances.
Yes.
So just
If you fail
do
your
work.
class, you're a bum.
No, real talk.
There's no excuse because you are the queen of giving opportunities.
Excellent. And just for the record, can you tell us what grade you guys have?
A, B.
I had an A. I hope I.
I think you still
I
do.
hope I still.
Oh, Miss Mars, but also I have a recommendation.
Yes.
In the beginning, I think you should be more strict because that's when you kind of set the rules. Like that's when you kind of fit your class and people see what they can get away with.
Okay.
And then like the whole etymology, like how everyone would just talk about you. So I'd be like, just kick them out and give them a referral, like kind of, you know, just be the mean one, you know. And you're still gonna be loved.
Wait, don't get no referral. I mean, in the beginning, Mr. Will gave me like 5 referrals every day. I'll get mad.
Yeah, and like if you're gonna do the DOL online, just I think you should. Oh, I mean the etymology. If you're gonna do that next year with the videos, I say just start from the beginning, because then it's hard to switch.
That's good
Your brain doesn't
advice.
wanna do it.
And I also love like how you let us eat food, especially since like, after lunch. You should tell other teachers to do that because like I don't know, sometimes you have stuff to do and you're not able to eat. And like here, I know it distracted us and stuff, but it's just like it was nice, you know. Maybe not like have it do it like you guys can eat here every day, but like you know give them chances.
I like when
It's
people
better.
listen to music once in a while.
Yeah,
that too. That helps.
I like that.
And how, this is for each of you, so everyone has to answer. How do you want me to remember you?
That's stubby.
But what incident from this year, or what kinds of things do you want me to remember about you?
Oh, that's a good one.
I don't know.
When you got punched.
Yeah.
You mean from first period's video?
Yeah.
That was pretty awesome.
I guess like as a smart girl that kind of plays around sometimes. A little too much, but I still try to get a 4.0.
Okay, me at the beginning of the year, because like this whole like I don't know if it was like fourth quarter, like a little third too. I screwed, and you know what? I'm gonna be honest with you. It was because of sitting next to Anna. Ever since I sat next to her, we were just, and I made her do the same thing because at the beginning we were like,
well, top of the
think,
class.
I think that what you should do is maybe not sit best friends together anymore. That's also a recommendation because
Okay.
I know.
I think change seats more often too, because I didn't, you know, you get tired of the people sitting. Not her, but there was other people around me that I just I didn't like.
Yeah.
You know, and I didn't enjoy sitting there.
Okay.
Well, when sitting next to my best friends,
yeah,
but
I just think that you should, like, since it didn't work out and you obviously saw that, like, us sitting together didn't work out and you still let us.
more Jared Brown. Jared Brown, best thing ever.
Yes, too.
Don't forget about Jared Brown next year.
We will not. All right. Say goodbye.
Bye, Miss Morris. Love you. Thanks for everything.
Aw.
Bye.